Alright guys, I'm not real sure where to start this video. So last video we got all this stuff on. I wasn't sure how to design the placard, or however you say that, this piece here. So I spent the last, I think, 2 or 3 hours trying to figure out how to make that. I know this hole here, this bottom hole, I'm pointing on this side, this bottom hole might be in the wrong spot. I might have to remake this whole piece. But for right now, I think it will be fine for now. But I need to figure out where straight is on here for this thing, and then drill a couple holes in there, and then I need to figure out the spring tensioner for the belt. So that's about where we're at right now. I did not show making this thing. I looked at a bunch online. I know you can buy these online too. So I think maybe for now this is what I'll use, and then maybe later buy one offline that has this hole. I think it's this hole that's slotted side to side. Or I could also just drill a couple more holes in either direction to get this thing to spin on here for different ways to grind. So for now, I think I want to make this as straight as I can on this pipe, and then this will just slide in here. That'll just slide in there, and this guy will go on here like this. So that's where I'm at right now. I also still have to tap these holes on top and bottom. So I think right now I'm just gonna get this put on here, or get it on here and see where it's straight on the machine, and then probably hack off a piece of this pipe and figure out where I want to put that belt tensioner on here, and how I'm going to use the spring. So I got to figure out the whole spring mechanism also, and we'll go from there. Yeah, I've just been tinkering with this guy the whole time. So I think I might just clear off my bench so I don't have a chaos mess. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, we're back. So I drilled and tapped these with a 1/2 inch bolt. I'm not sure I really need a 1/2 inch bolt on there, but that's what I did. And then this will slide in. That'll slide in like that. So I haven't cut this off yet because I'm not sure, 100% sure where I'm gonna need that to be. So I haven't done that yet. I have these skateboard wheels that are gonna go in here. I have to get some spacers, and actually these are the wrong size bolts. These are the bolts out of the treadmill. So I'll have to get some spacers here, and then get the right size bolt and drill these out properly, because it's not quite the right size. And then those will go there like that. I have, this piece is a little wide. It's got to be cut down to like probably 2 1/4. These wheels are 2 1/4, so that's probably what this will end up, depending on the spacing from. Oh, it depends on the spacing on off of this side where these wheels set. I don't want to put that on there until I get the wheels put in place. So next we will work on the belt tensioner. So that's what we're going to do next. Alright guys, I'm back. This video really didn't achieve very much, I don't think. Well, it kind of did, because I got this platen done most of the way. It's not 100% done, but until I get the idler, I'm not sure where to go next. So I got to do some more research on how to set up my idler on this machine. And I'm going to order some belts, so I kind of have an idea what's going on. This video really didn't show much what I was doing. I'm sorry about that. But if you're interested in the rest of the body and stuff, go ahead and check out the links below, or either links, you know, at the end of the video on either side. Thanks for watching, and I ask you guys to hit like and subscribe or leave a comment down below.